Hi and welcome to a new video. You don't know how to download songs on Spotify on your iPhone? In this video, I'll show you how to do that so you can play music without connecting to a Wi-Fi network or have mobile data enabled. Let's go. Of course, to download songs on Spotify, your account needs to be subscribed to Spotify Premium. Here's a list of their plans if you don't have one yet. So to get started, make sure that you're connected to a Wi-Fi network. Swipe down from the top and just tap on the Wi-Fi icon and make sure it is highlighted in blue. With Spotify, you can only download whole albums or playlists and not specific songs. Unlike before, you can't just tap on the options and download a single song anymore. So the way to do it is to just download the whole album or the playlist. It doesn't matter who created the playlist, whether it's from Spotify or created by someone. Just tap on the download button here and it will start to download the songs in that playlist. After downloading, you can listen to these songs even without an internet connection. But sometimes you just want to download specific songs and not a whole playlist. Since Spotify only allows you to download playlists for offline listening, the workaround is to create your own playlist. I'll show you how this works. On the search bar, type the name of the song or the artist and select the one that you want. Now, just tap on the three dots on the song that you want and choose Add to Playlist. You can add it to a playlist you already have, or you can create a new playlist by pressing New Playlist and give it a name. I'll name it Test for the demonstration. Go to Your Library at the bottom of your screen and open your newly created playlist. You can search for it using the search bar. Now that you have your own playlist with the song that you want to download, just tap on the download button and you're good to go. Now I can turn off my Wi-Fi and play the song without an internet connection. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.